Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Isn't my shirt so adorable? Be more feliz. This is like perfect for me because my husband's last name is Feliz and I just got married, so I'm more feliz. Get it? Feliz, last name, and happier. Yeah. Anyways. That was so corny. But anyways, let's get right into the video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. And also turn on the post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also, follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and check out my Instagram. Show some love. And let's get right into the video. So today I'm going to be curling my hair with the L'Oreal Steampod. Yes, you heard it, with this straightener. When I first tried this straightener, which by the way, go check it out down below. I'm gonna link it down below. I wasn't too crazy about how this curled my hair, but I kept playing with it and I kept trying to curl my hair with this, and now I love using this to curl my hair. And today's tutorial is inspired by Caila Quinn. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out her Instagram video, I'm gonna link it down below. She was on Bachelor in Paradise. I just watched her season and she has beautiful hair. Guys, this has become my go-to straightener. I love this straightener so much. It leaves my hair so sleek, so shiny. It's incredible. And even the curls that I get with this, they're pretty cute. So I'm excited to show you guys. So I am going to divide my hair in a couple of different sections. I'm going to start with the bottom, so like that. So something that you definitely have to keep in mind when you use this straightener is to follow the arrows that are right here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's two arrows right there going down. So that's the way that you want to straighten your hair. So I am going to straighten the roots a little bit and then I'm going to create the curls. So I grab the hair tool like that, arrows down, very slowly I bring it down and then I flip it. I still grab the hair so it doesn't move or anything, and I just slowly bring it down. Gotta do it very slowly. So as you can see, you do get a pretty nice curl. I think that curl is very nice and bouncy. It's not like super tight, but it's like a nice big wave. So when the curl is still pretty hot, you're gonna want to grab your hair like this. So you use your thumb and you kind of follow the curl like that. See that? And then you kind of just bring it up and use a little clip. I'm gonna link these down below from Amazon. And just clip it to your head. Okay, so I'm gonna do this section. So very slowly bring this down. I love how this leaves my hair so shiny, like no other straightener. I'm telling you, like it leaves my hair so shiny, it's insane. So yeah, you get a pretty nice curl. I like this curl. So remember to follow the arrows because that really does make a difference. So yeah, I like to grab my hair so that I don't lose it. It doesn't move around. I'm gonna just bring this down. I always try to curl away from my face. I think it's way more flattering. And this is so gentle on my hair too. It doesn't pull my hair either. There you have it. So up and then flip it. Yeah, look at that. That's a very nice curl. I'm happy with that. So yeah, you just use your thumb and go up like that. You guys see what I'm doing? I gotta do my nails. And then just like kind of bring it up and clip it. But yeah, just very slowly bring the hair tool down, and look at that. I mean, that's a beautiful curl. So I'm gonna do all my hair and I'll be back. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of hairspray so that my curls can last longer. So I'm gonna just add just a little bit. That should be good. This is gonna really help the curl be like more defined, last longer. This one is from Moroccanoil. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to check it out. So right now it is 6:46, so I'll be back in about 2 hours, maybe just an hour, because you should be just fine with even 30 minutes. But I'm gonna let these set for about an hour or two, so I'll be back in about an hour. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm back. So it's been about an hour and a half. It's almost 8. And that's more than enough time. So let's take these off. Can't wait for you guys to see how this turns out. Look at that. That is so nice. So I'm just gonna take all of these out. Just very slowly. Okay. Another very beautiful bouncy curl. And I did this actually the other day when I was in New York, and the curls did last a very long time. Like look at that. Look at that curl. That is so pretty. It's so bouncy, super shiny. I didn't even put oil on my hair. I mean, I did put some of the Drybar Prep Rally spray to prep my hair before my blowout. But yeah, look at the curls, super nice. But yeah, this is such an easy way to get beautiful shiny curls that are very long lasting. I'm telling you guys, I've tried this before. This is not the first time that I do this, and my curls last way longer, and they're like always very defined. I love this hairspray because it doesn't leave my hair sticky. I didn't put too much, but it leaves my hair very soft. I think it was only like $10. It was actually very affordable too. It just looks so nice. I'm not gonna run my fingers yet through my curls so you guys can like really see the curls before I do that. But wow, it looks incredible. Okay, so now I'm gonna run my fingers just a little bit. Nothing crazy. Yeah. I love how my hair turned out. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. It has so much shine, volume, and it just looks very, very nice. I mean, I love how this curls my hair, and I've been using it a lot for that. Like, I only thought I was gonna use this to straighten my hair, but I've been using it a lot to curl my hair as well. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.